Hi, this is Linda. I wanted to show you guys how I added an audio file to my assignment right here.
Hi students, this is Dr. Davis. For your first rhetorical analysis.
And the way I did that is I went in to these files right here that says record, hit upload and record media. Here you would hit, cancel that, hit record. And I do not want myself on video, so I'm going to turn it off to no video. And then you hit start recording right here. Now if you mess up, you can hit start over. Sometimes the webcam will come back on and you just need to turn it off again. You turn it back on and then turn it back off again and it'll stop. Anyway, when you're finished, you can, it'll just put the file, actually it put the file over here to the left. So I just went into format and align. So it originally was over here at the left and I just moved it to the right. So it shows, well, I can't move it back to the left now, but that's how I did that. All right, thought that would help.